Hi everybody, welcome. Today I am going to be making a fresh spring salad for you today. So it is called a spring green salad. The first ingredient is going to be spinach. And then today I have strawberries for you. So these are a great spring type of fruit to have. I also have blueberries. This was something that was on sale this week at Aldi's versus what's in the recipe is oranges. And then I have some pistachios. And so the recipe calls for walnuts, but I had pistachios on hand, so we're gonna add some pistachios in today. So I'm just gonna start by putting everything in here to make the recipe. The first thing that I did was I washed the spinach, and so washing our greens is extremely important. And the reason being is even if a package says that it's been triple washed, there's could be a potential risk of having dirt on there. It actually happened to me before with one of my coworkers. I served her lunch one day and I gave her some spinach and it actually still had dirt on it. So keep in mind that it's something extremely important to do. So this is my spinach that I already washed. So we're going to add all that in. This is about 6 ounces of spinach, which is equivalent to about 7 cups. Okay, and spinach is one of those nice leafy greens right now. It's in season and it definitely loves these colder temperatures that we're having right now. So this is great. Okay, so get those seeds in there, okay? Our next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is about 1 cup of blueberries. And like I said, I chose the blueberries versus oranges because they were on sale this week and they look absolutely gorgeous. And so we're going to add those in here to our salad. And I already love the color. This is just so beautiful with the blue and the green that you can see here. So take a look at that. The next ingredient is going to be strawberries. And so I have about 1.5 cups of strawberries and they are halved. I actually halved them in 4, and the reason being is because they were really, really big strawberries. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Okay, awesome. And you can see here just that beautiful color that is happening in this. The next ingredient, I'm going to be adding in the pistachios. Now keep in mind, if you do add nuts in, you want to make sure that nobody has a peanut allergy where you are taking this. Again, I use pistachios because it's something that I had on hand. Keep in mind, nuts have a lot of extra calories, and so they are so extremely delicious, but they do have a lot of calories. Okay, beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is make our simple vinaigrette dressing here for you today. And so the simple vinaigrette is I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay. And then about 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar. And I chose apple cider vinegar. I love cooking with apple cider vinegar. I think it has such a fabulous flavor. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you could use a canola oil too if you had that on hand. You necessarily don't have to use olive oil. Olive oils are nice for a basic dressing though when you're doing that. So there's 2 tablespoons of that. And so I'm going to add in the 2 tablespoons of the orange juice here. Great. And I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Just a nice light dressing for this, okay? And I'm just going to drizzle this all over top of it. Okay, and look at that. A beautiful spring salad that you can enjoy right now. I hope everybody has a great day. Take care.